So the documentary Give Up Tomorrow tells the story of Paco Larrañaga, so a young man who was accused and convicted in a very controversial criminal case in the Philippines. So when we look at this case using what we know about criminal procedure, we can see many important rights were not respected. So one of the most important rule in criminal law is called due process, which means that everyone should have a fair trial and be treated fairly by the court. But in Paco's case, many people who said he was innocent and far away from the crime scene were ignored by the court. Also, the media made the case very popular and influenced public opinion, make it hard for Paco to have a fair trial. So, another key rule is that the person is innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But Paco was convicted even though there was no strong evidence that he was involved, and the main witness against him was someone who had a criminal record and gave inconsistent statement. So this show that the government did not prove their case properly. So there were also problems during the trial, like the judge having connection to the victim's family and the defense not being allowed to fully question witnesses. This goes against Paco's right to defend himself. So the trial happened very quickly. And outside influence like politics and media affected the judges. After trial, Paco was sentenced to death even though there were serious doubts about his guilt. Later, he was moved to Spain to serve his right because of his citizenship, which saved him from execution. Though the story in Give Up Tomorrow teach us how important criminal procedure is to protect people's right and make sure justice is fair. Paco's case shows what can happen when these rules are ignored. That's all. Thank you.